Question one and two are true and true. Question three. Ooh, we have a different applets now. Would be interesting. A T applet. Very nice.
I don't know where Andrea is. I sent it
So question three is asking, in previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation omega was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about omega. What has changed?
I would say that it's. I would say that
It's
we
always
assume.
one.
Oh, it's always one.
I well, when I say one, like I mean one standard deviation away, but maybe
Yeah, because that's what omega or sigma. O is sigma. It's not omega.
it's not. Oh,
No, it's
my
sigma.
bad. I thought sigma was the half infinity sign or whatever.
I don't. Let me look at my notes. I don't know. I get confused. There's so many symbols.
Yeah.
Yes, there kind of is.
It's so mu is the population mean, and sigma is the standard deviation.
And I suppose you're right. That makes sense.
I don't know. The symbols are weird. I guess it does. It really doesn't matter, like the technicality of it all.
Yeah. Well,
I'm gonna try adding her one more time. There we go. Okay, I invited her.
so basically in practice, we rarely know when the true standard deviation sigma. Like we typically don't know what it is, so therefore it's typically unable to calculate a z-score. With the student's t-distribution, it gives us new
Wait, which number are you on?
Statistic. So
Are you on?
we're using the sample standard deviation S instead.
Wait, what number are you on?
I'm on question three. So we assume that the standard deviation is unknown.
Yeah, that's what I had put.
I put unknown.
Okay. So number four, this one is asking us the null and the alternative hypothesis. The mean is equal to 8. The alternative is less than 8. Sorry, the alternative is greater than 8.
4 is no, because it said assume the population standard deviation is not known. And then it's like, is whatever known. Well, the answer's right there.
Well,
that is the dumbest.
Yeah, you're right, because the sigma is not known, but the S we're going to assume is the standard deviation. So, yeah, you're right.
So it is no?
Well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So the sample standard deviation is known, but the population standard deviation is not known. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so we need to find the value of T.
So T is the what was that? It was so T, we get that by getting X bar minus the mu, and then the sample standard deviation divided by square root of n. Does that make sense?
Yes, so that's the formula.
So it'd be X bar, which is 11 minus 8, which is 3, divided by 6, divided by 3. So 3 over 2, which is 1.5. Does that make sense?
So hold on. Sorry,
All right, I didn't use a calculator on that one, but in my head it makes sense. So we have 11 minus 8. Okay. Right? Yeah. 11 minus 8 on top. And then we have 9 divided by the square root of 6, or sorry, 6 divided by the square root of 9. We have 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So in the end, we have 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Copy and paste them into our software. So we're gonna have to use Excel on this one, right?
What? Wait. So, sorry. What did we put for 5? I was emailing.
1.5.
Yeah.
She said she's getting the invite, but she can't join.
Okay.
So this next one, we're gonna have to use Excel.
Yeah, I'm trying to. What's the Excel thing called? It's the quantitative descriptive thing, isn't it? That we need
to be honest, I don't know. But this thing's not letting me copy and paste, so it looks like we're gonna have to enter it in manually.
Thank you, Ellie.
You're welcome.
Sorry about that.
I'm glad you were able to join. Sorry, I was like distracted and I was emailing you because we were trying to figure out a problem.
Hello. Oh, okay.
All right. It's so annoying it won't let us copy and paste. I don't want to put all of that in manually.
Oh, that's fine. I can do it pretty fast here.
If you read it to me, I can put it in. That'll go faster.
I'm already putting it in.
Okay.
But if you want to go ahead and do it so you can double check my work, then that's fine.
Okay. Let me just split screen.
Oh, seriously? Why won't it let us copy and paste? Ridiculous.
It's so we don't cheat and There, I'm finished.
I can't. I have like ADD or something. I can't ever focus on what I need to. The next one is.
So it says we're trying to find X bar. That's that weird.
Yeah, so you want to do the average. All of it.
So add up everything?
No, the average. So you want to get the mean. So you're going to type in equal sign average, parenthesis, and then you're going to click from A1 to about A, what would it be?
Kyle, it does it for you. It does it for you automatically, where it says
like
the numerical descriptive statistics. So you put it all in on that side where it says paste the data, and then it gives us the mean, the standard deviation, the variance, the minimum, the quartile.
Where? On the website?
No, in the quantitative descriptive statistics.
In the Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah, in the Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah, on the Excel spreadsheet, yeah. That's what I'm doing it right now on.
Yeah, but let me send you a picture of mine. This is from the textbook. It's like the thing they give us. I'll show you. You know what I'm talking about. The only reason I know about this is for the tutoring. It's very, very helpful. I just sent it to you now so you can see it. Do you live in Rexford?
I do.
Do you live in Rexford? Do you live in Rexford?
Are you talking to me or?
No, I was talking to Jessica.
So I got the X
You get
bar
the
to be
picture now?
98.22. What did you get?
98.22. But did you get the picture?
Sorry, one sec. I was looking at my phone. Go pick up my security deposit. Oh, so it wants us to do the histogram?
No. So see how it says the numerical descriptive statistics?
Yes. How do you do that?
See how the mean is 98.22? That's what
Yes,
you
but
got.
how do you insert that, the numerical descriptive or whatever?
Well, it's in the textbook. Like it's a link and you download it.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't remember how to get there. I can ask my tutor tomorrow so that I can tell you, but that's way easier than doing whatever you just did.
Yeah, I just entered it all in manually.
It's on the website, your textbook. If you go to your textbook,
Mm-hmm.
1 second, let me just get there too.
Where would it be in the textbook? Because I'm in the textbook right now.
You're in the textbook right now? So on your left-hand side.
So quantitative inferential procedures, XLS?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's
I mean, I could click on it, but I already have something on it. So
Oh,
it is
sorry.
98.22.
98.22, yeah.
So what is S, or the standard deviation?
So that is 0.922.
Well, here, let me verify that really fast.
Because that's a standard deviation,
0.89.
isn't it?
Sorry, I got 0.898. What did you get?
Well, is standard deviation, or is S standard deviation?
Okay. Yeah, I got 0.922 as well.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry, I had it under population standard deviation.
No, you're fine.
Different
No
formula.
worries. So the
Okay.
T-score.
T-score. T-score is like the Z-score, right? Except for a different formula.
Yes. I don't know if I remember what the formula is.
Yeah, there should be a T-score or T in your.
That's the same formula that we used before, right? The X bar minus mu over sample.
So it should just be given to you already in the Excel sheet.
Like on the quantitative descriptive statistic thing?
Yeah, I'm not quite sure about the file name for this unit. It's quantitative something.
Okay.
I know the score on here. I have the mean, the standard deviation, the variance, the minimum, the Q1,
That's all?
the median, the Q3, the maximum, and the interquartile range.
This should be a different file than the one that you used for Unit 1.
How would I get to that?
So go to your textbook, and then on the left-hand side, it will say data file.
Hold on, your go to the textbook.
Mm-hmm. And then on the left-hand side, there should be data file. Click on that.
Okay.
And then on the second paragraph, it should say, special note, for instruction on accessing Excel, see Help Excel tool. And then you click on the Help Excel tool.
Okay, hold on.
But
I'm trying to. Where's the?
Oh, you know what? I'm just going to copy and paste this link for you to the chat box. You can just click on it. And then you download the Unit 2 and 4 file.
Niall.
I got it. Oh.
Well, can you hear me? I'm like trying to talk and no one's listening to me or answering. Very frustrating.
Sorry, it's the Unit 1?
No, it's the Unit 2.
Unit 2 help or whatever file.
Can you guys hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I get to the textbook?
So I copy and paste the link for you already in the chat box. You can just go to the link. Did you see the chat box?
No, I do.
Well,
but there's no link.
Oh, I'll copy and paste it again. There.
So then I go to the quantitative inference procedure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, crap. Oh, does that mean I have to input everything?
So do I so on that one where it says variables, do I delete those variables?
No, you don't touch those. The only thing that you touch are the blue boxes.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. So like how it's 5 through 10 has numbers in it, do I delete those or no?
Oh yeah, you just delete them and input whatever this question's data is.
Great.
Or if you already had it in your previous Excel file, you can just copy and paste it.
Okay.
Except for it won't let us copy and paste.
It'll let me because I did it on a different Excel file.
Well, I'm saying like the test won't let us copy and paste.
Yeah, I don't know why the iLearn does that for what the previous group did. The one that I joined.
It looks like I got rid of all my ones that I put in. So what did you get for T-score?
427.
We have a level of significance of 0.05 and a mean of 98.6.
You'll need to change, Allie. You'll need to change your null hypothesis according to this question. That's gonna influence your T-score a lot.
Yeah, so our null hypothesis is less than.
And also the null hypothesis value on the Excel file, it should be in the blue box as well.
One second.
When it says level of significance, does that mean that our confidence level is 0.95? Or what is that asking?
Yeah, so your confidence level is whatever is 1 subtract alpha. That's your confidence level.
Okay, can you guys hear me when I talk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, because I just feel like I'm trying to like talk and no one's listening, and it's starting to irritate me. So for X bar, is it 98.23?
I have 98.22.
Yeah.
That's still the mean because I inputted it on that thing and I got 98.232.
Would it be one of the numbers typed in wrong?
I copied and pasted, so it shouldn't be. So then what did you get for T? Or for S?
I don't know how to get T quite yet. Because once you type in everything, then it'll show you what T is, doesn't it?
For S, did you get 0.95 or 946?
One sec. For S, I got 0.922.
Okay.
Would you like to share your screen so I can kind of look over? Maybe.
I don't know how to do that.
So are you using your laptop to do this?
Yeah.
So if you go to the left-hand side of your Google Hangout, the second, like a pull-out bar thingy should come up, and then the second one is a green button that says screen share.
I see it.
Oh, there you go.
So this is what I pulled up, and I copied everything.
One second. I am just going to
Okay, well, I just ingressed everything again, so maybe I can be of some help. I don't know. Interesting. But it doesn't. I don't have anything for the T-score as long as we don't have like a standard deviation or like that. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and ingress the standard deviation.
So now this T right here, under one sample t-test, if everything else is put in correctly, that will show you the T-score.
Well, I have the T-score. I have 417.204.
Yeah, but we'll need to change the null hypothesis value. And for some reason, I check all the numbers and they're right, but for some reason, the mean isn't right. So I don't really know what is happening.
What's the null hypothesis? What do I have to change it to?
So the null hypothesis, according to this question, should be 98.6 instead of 10.
Okay, so I need to change that.
And your type of test would be
the type of test is great, less than.
Less than.
Great.
So
gosh,
the T-score is negative 1.742.
I don't really know why like these numbers are screwed up for you, Allie. Did you download the original file from the website and then you just put in those numbers?
Yeah, I just copied and pasted here. I'll just do this. I do have to leave in like 15 minutes, so I want to try and get this finished. That could work, which is so frustrating. Will someone read to me? find my Hangout thing. Will someone read to me the numbers so that I can input them and see if that changes? I just won't copy and paste.
Oh, yeah, I can read them off to you. 98.
Wait, hold on one second. What's the null hypothesis again that we have to change it to?
The null is that it's equal to 98.6.
So it's 98. So is the type of test equal to or less than?
The alternative is that it's less than.
So the confidence level is 0.95, the null hypothesis is 98.6, and the type of test is less than?
Yes.
Okay, will you read to me the thing?
Okay, so it's 98, 98, first one.
Okay.
99.6, 97.8, 97.6, 98.7, 98.4, 98.9, 97.1, 99.2, 97.4, 99.1, 96.9, 98.8, 99.7, or sorry, 99.9.
Okay, wait, 1 second.
Yeah, sorry, it was 99.9, not 99. Ugh, I can't even speak.
99.9, okay.
99.9, so 96.8.
Okay.
97.
That's 97.
What?
That's 97.
Yeah, just 97.
Okay.
98.7. 7.6.
98.6.
Oh, 97.6.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
98. 98.7. 98.2. This is for question 5 that we're still on, right?
Okay, yes. So,
yep, you have everything right now.
Okay, the mean is 98.22. So let me pull this up. I'm going to stop screen sharing. Where is it? The mean is 98.22. Well, it's 220, so should I put 98.220 since it said round 3 decimal places?
Yeah.
No, I think 98.22 should be fine. I mean, we could put in 98.220. That'd be fine.
S.
Yeah.
Okay, hold, just let me
922.
for a second. S is 0.922. T is negative 1.843.
Good job.
And the p-value is 0.040. Yeah, 0.040.
Wait, sorry. What was the p-value?
T is negative 1.843.
I have the same.
And then p-value is...
In the thing, we'd put in negative 0. Or sorry, you're right. Negative 1.43. Sorry, and then the p-value
is
0.040. Or what do you have?
0.040.
So my question is, if we were to round off everything, the 0.48 technically could be a 0.5. I really hate it when that happens. Yeah, I'll just put in 040. Whatever.
Okay, let's just keep
technically it could be 0.041, but anyways.
Okay, so what's the correct decision based on this evidence?
So we found out that the mean is actually greater than. It's not less than. So I'm pretty sure we rejected it because the confidence level we had at 95 or 0.95, and the confidence interval is between 97.7 and 98.6. Like that's a.
Is it failed to reject or just reject?
It's failed to reject.
Let's just keep cruising.
So your p-value is 0.04, but your level of significance is 0.05.
So, because we have to reject the null hypothesis if it's greater than the p-value, right?
Yeah.
So it's just
we're
reject,
rejecting the null
not fail to
hypothesis.
reject.
Yeah.
But that doesn't make any sense just because our whole thing was it was going to be less than 98.6. Oh, it is actually. Just kidding. 98.22. All right. Yeah, we're good.
So which one is it? Fail to reject or reject?
It's reject.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm a bird brain. Okay. So use the following values which were pulled from the data file. Baby boom JSE. When did we? Oh, this sucks.
I'm already inputting them. I'm almost done.
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you do that because I've inputted so much data. So annoying.
Do you want me to read it to you, Allie, or?
I'm on 86, so now I just need to do 14.
And then 4,
Okay.
40, 36, 47, 9, and 61.
Okay. So,
and then remember to change your null hypothesis and your confidence level and type of test, all three of them.
Okay. So the confidence level is, do we have one?
So the confidence level equals to 1 minus the alpha.
What's
so your alpha,
so
your confidence level will be.
So what's the null hypothesis then?
It's just
the type of test is not equal to.
Perfect.
But the null hypothesis is what?
Is whatever value the null hypothesis is stating. So.
By the way, the sample size is 21, right? Not 20. Hello?
I don't know where you're getting that number.
Well, I'm saying like all the numbers like added up, it's there's 21 numbers. There's not 20 numbers, right?
Yeah, so can someone help me with the confidence level on the null hypothesis?
So yeah, the confidence level is 1 minus 0.01, which equals to 0.99.
0.99.
And the null hypothesis, you can just find it by looking at the null hypothesis. Mu equals 40, so 40 is your null hypothesis.
Okay, sorry. I'm just getting frustrated. This is just annoying. Okay. So the p-value is 0.995.
P-value is, yeah.
So the decision would be fail to reject the null, right?
Perfect.
That's right?
Yeah.
So then 13, you try to decide on another alternative hypothesis. This time, you use mu is less than 40 to keep the same level of significance.
Okay, so I have the p-value as 0.9952.
Yeah, but you only have to do 3 decimal places.
Okay, but you have the same thing then?
Yeah, it's 0.995.
What decision do you make?
We already did that one. It's failed to reject the null.
We failed to reject, right?
Yep.
That makes sense. If you decide to try another alternative hypothesis, this time you use mu is greater than.
It would.
Sorry, mu is less than.
It would increase.
And you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? It increased by a lot. Or sorry, it decreased by a lot.
Yeah, decrease.
What decision do you make? You still fail to reject because it's greater than 0.01 or 0.01. It's like 0.502. So even if it was at the 95% confidence level, you'd still fail to reject it. Does that sound about right to you guys?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What is the lower limit of this confidence interval?
It's 20.
I have 17.5.
How did you get that?
It's on the one sample test thing.
Yeah, but you should put, it should just be 0.95. The null hypothesis is 40, and the type of test is still not equal to.
Sorry, I can't hear you that well. What were you saying?
So it's the confidence level should be 0.95. Then the null hypothesis is 40. The type of test is not equal to. So then the confidence interval should be 23.499. Isn't it?
Wait, what?
Because you don't change anything in that little testing besides the confidence level. The 0.95.
Yes.
So your confidence level will be 23.499.
Confidence level. Wait, the confidence level is 0.99, right?
No, the confidence level is 23.499. Or, sorry. No, the confidence level is 0.95 because it's saying now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true.
Oh, gotcha. I did not see that. My bad. Yeah, you're right. It's 23.499. So that's 23.5, right?
Yep.
Okay. Sorry, my bad.
No. You can.
And then the upper level is 56.6.
Well, you're not supposed to round. Just put 23.499 and 56.597 because I
It says
submitted
round
it.
to one decimal place.
Well, I submitted it and I got 100%. So.
Oh. Cool. 23.499. Well, imagine she's not going to make you like lose points just for having it more correct than rounding it.
Shouldn't.
Yeah. So that makes sense.
Okay. And then the 16 is 56.597.
All right. Well, that was a really long quiz. It's like the longest one we've had.
I know.
What did you put at 16? Or 16?
16 is 56.597.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks, Allie. Sorry for making you late.
No, you're fine. Justina, thank you for coming and helping me figure out the Excel thing. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no.
All right. I always am down to have somebody back you up. All right. See you guys later.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Later.